Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the recent files list in the app or system. Find the specific item you want removed and focus on the exact context, app versus system listing. Once located, make sure you have the account or permission needed to change that list. You'll use the app menu or a right-click to start removal, so keep the file visible. This step is quick. Start acting now, because immediate selection sets up the rest of the process efficiently and avoids accidental deletes. Next, you remove entries. Right-click or long-press the recent item and pick Remove from List or Equivalent. If you need to clear many items, open the app's privacy or history settings and choose Clear Recent Files. This is faster and prevents repeated manual steps. For system-level history, go to File Explorer or Finder Preferences and disable or clear recent items. Make sure to confirm prompts. Otherwise, items may reappear. Once done, verify the list is empty or contains only what you finish by ensuring changes persist. If your account syncs recent files, disable sync temporarily and clear the list on every device. Then restart the app or reboot the system to flush caches so the removal sticks. Check cloud or backup settings if the item reappears. You may need to remove the entry from the cloud console. If an entry keeps returning, revoke the app's access to recent documents, delete cached indexes, and then re-enable sync. That fix prevents automatic repopulation of the recent files list.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.